A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to do a reading lesson about flying kites. Do you fly kites? Yes, boys? When do you fly kites? Yes, especially in August. Why is it? It is the best season for flying kites because it's windy and you have your holidays in August. Where do you fly kites? Yes, in the playground, in the park, in the paddy field, yes, on the beach. What do you need to make kites? Scissors, color tissue papers, yes, glue, cotton twine, yes, bamboo sticks, yes. What about midrib of the coconut leaflets? What is the midrib? Medan Aratiya. Right, okay. Okay, children. What can you see on the board now? Yes, good. Flying kites. Okay, flying kites. It's a picture of a flying kites. How many children can you see? How many children? Very good. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. There are 6 children. How many boys and how many girls are there? Yes, good. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boys and 2 girls. There are 4 boys and 2 girls. What are they doing? Yes, good. Flying kites. Yes, they are flying kites. They are flying kites. Where are they flying kites? Yes, in the field. Okay. Yes, in the playground. Or maybe in the paddy field. Okay, right. Where are the kites? Where are the kites? In the sky. They are up in the sky. They are up in the sky. How many kites can you see? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 kites. Yes, what can you say about the kites? Can you describe the kites? Yes, maybe the part, different colors. Yes, with the head, different shapes. Maybe the pramana, different sizes. Yes, very good. There are kites of different colors, shapes and sizes. Yes, how do you feel when you fly kites? Yes, you feel happy. Now you can see these children, they are enjoying flying kites. They are happy. Okay, children. Now take your pupils' books out soon and turn to page 32. Okay, now we are going to do a reading lesson on flying kites. Now this is the text. Yes, can all of you read the title? Flying kites. How many paragraphs are there in the text? Yes, there are 4 paragraphs. Let's take these two paragraphs, paragraphs 1 and 2 only. We are going to do these 2 paragraphs only. Can you tell me the lines, number of lines in paragraph 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, paragraph 2. Yes, there are 5 lines in paragraph 2. Now you can see some questions on the board. Now in pairs, can you read question by question and find answers quickly? Okay, I will read the first question and you quickly find the answer and tell me the paragraph and the line where you get the answer. Right, question number 1. What is a popular pastime in our country? What is a popular pastime in your country? Find the line or the sentence where these words appear. A popular pastime in our country. Okay, good. Yes, Puta, can you give me the answer? Flying kites here. Yes, in which line does that answer appear? In line 1. Now all of you keep the finger and read that line. Flying kites is a popular pastime in our country. Here, can you give me a similar word, synonym? You all have learned synonym. Similar word, samana pada ගෙන තියෙනවානේ. A similar word for the word pastime. Very good. Hobby. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Name 2 shapes of kites that are most popular among children. Name 2 shapes of kites. Find this phrase. මෙන්න මේ පද කාණ්ඩ හොයන්න තියෙන තැන. Yes, very good. You have found that. What is the line? Line 2 and 3 in paragraph 1. Line 2 and 3 in paragraph 1. Right. Cobra and peacock. Cobra and peacock. Now all of you read that line. Point to the line and read. Cobra and peacock shaped kites are most popular among children. Now let's read question number 3. What is the best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka? Why? Yes, find these words in the text. The best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka. Okay, Puta, yes. You tell me the line and the paragraph where the answer appears. Right. Paragraph 1, line 3. Line 3. Right. August. Right, all of you read that. August is the best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka. Right, then why? Yes, this is the answer. Because it is dry and windy. Dry and windy? Dry, very. Right, okay. Then there's another reason. තව හේතුවක් තියෙනවා. Yes, read the next sentence also. Furthermore, most children have their school holidays in August. Yes, in August you get your holidays. ඔයගලන්ගේ නිවාඩු කාලය ලැබෙනවනේ නේද? අගෝස්තු වල නේද? Right. So you can fly kites. You have free time to fly kites. නේද? ඔයගලන්ට හොඳට විවේක කාලය තියෙනවා. විවේකයේ තියෙනවා සරුංගල් යවන්න. Okay, now you can have these two. Because it is dry and windy and most children have their school holidays in August. Right? That is the answer for the second part of the question, number 3. Next one. How can you make kites? How can you make kites? Puta, can you tell me the paragraph and the line? Yes, paragraph 2, line 1 and 2. Right. I will underline the answer. Okay. Right. All of you read that line. Kites can be made using the midrib of coconut leaflets or bamboo sticks, tissue papers, cotton twine and glue. Now these are the things that you want to make a kite. නේද? සරුංගලයක් හදන්න අවශ්‍ය කරන දේවල්නේ. Right. Then next question. Where was the first kite made? Where was the first kite made? Yes, Puta. Yes, very good. In China. Yes. Where is the answer? In which line? In which paragraph? Paragraph 2, line 3. Alright, all of you read that sentence. It is believed that the first kite was made in China. It is believed that the first kite was made in China. It is believed. විශ්වාස කරනු ලබනවා නේද අපි? The first kite was made in China. චීනයේ පළමු සරුංගලය සාදනු ලැබුවා කියලා. Then find opposites to the following. Opposites. Another word, a similar word for the word opposites, antonyms, right? Good. Difficult. Yes, where do you get that word, the opposite word for difficult? Ah, yes, good. Paragraph 2, line 1. Easy, right? Then expensive. Yes, in the same line, inexpensive. Then bad. Opposite of bad. Yes, paragraph 2, line 5. Paragraph 2, line 5. Good. Okay, many of you found the answers without my help. Right, okay. Very good. Okay, children, now let's read the 2 paragraphs in groups. Okay, children, now let's read the 2 paragraphs in groups. Now do this activity in your exercise books. Please do it individually. I'll give you time. Now let's discuss the answers. Now here, these are the answers. You can correct yourself. If the answer is correct, you can put a tick. Otherwise, if the answer is wrong, you can put a cross and write the correct word. Write the correct answer. Right, shall we get some students to read the sentences? Right, number 1, kite flying is very popular among children. Number 2, kites are different in colors. Number 3, August is a dry and windy season. Number 4, the Chinese made the first kite. How many of you have got all the 4 sentences correct? Then next one, number 5. Give a subtitle to paragraph 1. What did you write? Okay, flying kites. And I'll give another title. A popular hobby. Read the very first line of paragraph 1. Yes, flying kites is a popular pastime in our country. Pastime is hobby. Then paragraph 2. Okay, making a kite. Yes, the second paragraph begins with that. Making a kite is easy and expensive. The phrase making a kite is there. Then next one, number 6. Find words to describe the following words. Yes, school holidays, good fortune, bamboo sticks. Okay, good. Now I am going to give you another activity for homework. Draw and write 5 sentences about my kite. ඇඳලා ලියන්න මගේ සරුංගලය ගැන වාක්‍ය 5. Okay children, that's the end of today's lesson. Let's do the rest of the lesson tomorrow. Goodbye.